health dip for exotic birds. Take ginger, mint and coriander leaves. Put them into water bowl and boil them. It's getting boiled. Giving beetroot or carrot juice with mint or coriander leaves hot water and with hand feeding formula to exotic birds. Take hot water of mint and coriander leaves. Take hand feeding formula first. Mix hand feeding formula with the hot water. Take the plain beetroot or carrot juice and pour it into the mixed hand feeding formula, then mix well. Now feed it to your tamed exotic birds with syringe. This is superb health dip for exotic birds.